Welcome. If you've recently updated your Pinterest app on PC and are wondering how to find your account password, you're in the right place. Sometimes we forget our passwords, and having a quick way to view it can save time and headaches. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to reveal your Pinterest password right from the app with the latest update. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Once you're inside, look to the left side of the screen for a gear icon. This represents the settings menu, and clicking on it will give you access to several options. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a menu appear. From here, choose the settings option. This area controls everything about your profile and account management, so it's the right place to find password-related details. Inside settings, navigate to account management. This section handles your login information and security settings. Here, you'll notice a password entry that is hidden by default, showing just a series of dots or asterisks. To reveal your password, simply find and click the eye icon located right next to the password field. By clicking this eye, the hidden characters will become visible, showing your actual password on the screen. That's it. You've successfully found your Pinterest account password directly within the app on your PC. Keep in mind, this feature is designed for convenience and ease of access, but always be cautious where and when you reveal your password to maintain your account's security. If you ever need to update or change your password after viewing it, you can do so right from the account management section in settings as well. This keeps everything organized and straightforward, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or updating your credentials for added security. So next time you find yourself stuck trying to remember your Pinterest password, just follow these easy steps. Open the app, click the gear icon, enter settings, go to account management, and click the eye to reveal your password. It's quick, secure, and a huge time saver. Thanks for watching.